In this video, we're going to learn about VI package configurations, a VIPM feature that ensures you have all the correct packages for each of your LabVIEW projects. Okay, let's dive in. VIPM tracks which LabVIEW tools and versions are used by each of your projects. VIPM saves this information in a file next to your LabVIEW project, and we can keep this in source code control so that we always have it. The benefit of VI package configurations is that it ensures you and your team have the right LabVIEW tools installed for each project. It ensures there's no broken or missing VIs, and it ensures there's no bugs due to incorrect versions of installed tools and libraries. So let's see this in action. Let's create a new project, and we'll add our VI. And then we'll save our VI and our project into C Projects My Project. We'll name our project My Project, and we'll name our VI My VI. So we have a project with a VI that calls a package VI. Now we want to make sure that in the future, whenever we open this project, we have this VI installed. We can see we have OpenG Boolean 4.007 installed right now. Let's open VIPM, and we'll open the package configuration window. That's this icon right here. This is a blank VI package configuration. Let's scan this project to see which packages it's calling. I'm going to click the Scan for Project Dependencies. I'm going to browse to my project folder, and I'm going to choose my project file. It's going to use LabVIEW to scan the project. And when it's done, we'll see it discovers the OpenG Boolean library version 4.007. Let's add that to our configuration, and we'll save this directly in our project folder. I'm going to name this myproject.vipc. I'm also going to add this file to my project so that I can see it easily whenever I open the project. So now, imagine that I don't have this package installed. I'm going to actually uninstall this package. And now, what I can do, normally I would see when I open my VI, it complains that I'm missing a VI, and it's searching for that VI. And we get our missing LabVIEW tool dialog here. Let's ignore that, and rather than a missing VI, let's just double click on our package configuration. We can see that it opens. We can choose to apply it, and VIPM will install all of those packages into LabVIEW to make sure that this package, OpenG Boolean Library version 4.007, is installed. And there you go. Now, as I'm developing, if I call other VIs, for example, let's say I'm calling an OpenG error function here, clear errors. I'm going to drop a constant so my code is not broken. Now, let's open our package configuration, and we'll rescan for dependencies. We'll choose a project file, rescan. And now you can see that it's going to add the OpenG error library, and we have both the Boolean and the error library in this configuration. We'll save that and close it. And now, along with our project, in the project folder contains a VIPC file. We can keep this file in source code control so that anytime somebody checks out the project, they have this ready and can install all the packages. So how does VIPM manage a VI package configuration for your project? First, VIPM scans your project to identify any packaged VIs that are called by your project. Next, VIPM saves that configuration file with the list of packages right next to your LabVIEW project file. Finally, VIPM ensures all these packages are installed when you want to work on your project. So let's look at when we really need VI package configurations. First, what if we've installed newer versions of packages since we last worked on a project? Or what if we've uninstalled them? Having a package configuration will allow us to install all the correct versions of packages. What if we're working on a new computer and nothing's installed? Then, of course, we want to install all the right versions of the packages. Or what if we're working on a project started by another developer on a different computer? In that case, we want to make sure we have all the correct packages that were installed by that other developer for the project. And just as a reminder, if we don't have the right versions installed, we may have broken code and the missing VIs dialog. Unbroken code may not work exactly the same way. It's not been verified with these different versions of installed packages. We take on a lot of risk due to unknown changes. We could have bad measurements, control system failures, or worse. VI package configurations really solve these problems.